Hi, welcome to Padhai Planet, and we have got a question from probability. And the question says that there is a game of chance that consists of spinning an arrow, which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's understand this question in a little more detail. The question is talking about spinning, right? So they are basically talking about a spinner, and the spinner is this is how a spinner would look like. The spinner has got 8 numbers, right? So basically in a spinner the whole spinner is divided into 8 equal parts. So let's just divide this, right? So this is how we have. I'm so sorry, this is the best I could do. So these are the 8 different pies in which this spinner is divided. So I'm just putting the numbers. Now these are the 8 numbers, these numbers where this arrow may stop, like, and these all of them are equally likely outcomes, right? So that means there is no control on the arrow which may stop on any of these 8 numbers. So it's a kind of random situation, right? Now I'll make an arrow also so that we have the exact clarity that how would it look like. So this is suppose the arrow. Now this arrow may stop at this, or maybe at this is like this, maybe at this, anywhere on any of these 8 numbers. Now let's focus on what are the questions which are being asked. So first one which is being asked is, what is the probability that it means the arrow will point at 8, right? So 8 is only in one pie, right? So the probability of 8 is equal to maximum possible numbers, right, of the event divided by the total number of possible outcomes, right? So that means this is going to be 1, because this one is going to be 1 because there could be only one possibility when this arrow could stop at the event which we are wanting, because that event is only this, which is 8. So this is 1, right, divided by the total number of outcomes. So the total number of outcomes, as we can very clearly see, that the arrow may stop at any one of these 8 numbers. So the total number of outcomes is 8. So that's the answer for the first one, right? Now let's move on to the second one. So second one says an odd number. So let's quickly find out how many odd numbers are there, right? So the probability of odd numbers is equal to total number of odd numbers divided by the total number of the possible outcomes. So how many odd numbers are there? That's 1, 2, and this is 3, and this one is 4. So there are total 4 odd numbers. So the answer would be 4 over 8, because 8 is the total number of possible outcomes. So the final answer is, if we simplify this, that is 1 over 2. That's the answer for the second question. Now looking at the third one, so they are saying the number is greater than 2, right? So the number is greater than 2. So how many numbers are greater than 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are total 6 numbers which are greater than 2, and divided by the total number of possible outcomes. That remains same in all the questions. So this is, we simplify and we get the final answer. So this is like 3 by 4 is the answer for the third question. Now we've got the fourth, a number less than 9, right? So a number which is less than 9. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is going to be like this. A number which is less than 9. Right. So let's look at this. So let's see how many numbers are less than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In fact, all of them are lesser than 9. So that means there are 8 such outcomes which could be lesser than 9. Right? There could be 8 such outcomes. So there is 8 divided by the total number of possible outcomes. And the total number of possible outcomes is also 8. So the answer which comes here is 1, right? So this is how we have solved this question, and I hope you could understand this. Let's just mark all the answers so that you are very clear, right? And the first one is this one, right? So this is how we have solved all these 4 questions in this particular question. I hope you could understand. Keep sharing, keep commenting, keep asking for many more questions for grade 10 maths, and I'll be coming up with the videos for the entire math book. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.